Carl Norberg.
Michael Orkin.
What are we going to cook today?
I believe we're cooking ribs. Salmon, steaks.
Baby back ribs. Spare ribs, a ribeye steak. Guess what we're cooking today?
Meat.
Everything I cook on this comes out, makes me look like a hero. Give it about 10 or 12 minutes.
Okay, what am I doing here?
3 different types of pepper and salt. There you go, nice, nice, perfect. Take a whiff of that.
Wow.
What's your breast size? I can hear you getting fatter.
All clean.
You know what we're doing? We're adding sugar. And when you add sugar to fat, you get happiness. No offense. Ooh.
It's crisp. You dig in and pulls off the bone.
As my dad used to say, suck that through your teeth, see if it's got any knots in it.
That's weird, but I'll go with it.